So I noticed that YouTube has deleted all of my Flying Squirrel videos. Yeah, that's right. They deleted all your videos, monkey. I think they've got something against monkeys. I think they got something against squirrels named Monkey. So, that there... Oh. Well, that was a monkey. Southern flying squirrel named Monkey. She's pretty awesome. She's pretty awesome. She knows it. Usually she's ready to play all the time, but it's about sun up, so she's not nearly as interested in playing. She was in bed, weren't you? Okay, calm down. She likes to look at the screen too. Bye, Monk.